Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually a really fun and exciting video for me because I've been wanting to try out this product for a really long time. I'm going to be trying the hair paint wax. So basically I'm going to be coloring my hair without any dyes or anything like this. This has been all over like Instagram and YouTube. I found this product when I was looking on Instagram because I follow a lot of natural hair people. I already have product in my hair. I already shampooed and conditioned my hair and all of that stuff. So right now in my hair I have the African Pride Moisture Miracle leave-in cream, and then I have the curling cream in my hair. So this is how the definition of my hair is looking. My hair looks really shiny and it's really soft. So my hair looks really hydrated and juicy. I don't really know exactly what kind of hairstyle I'm gonna be doing, but I think I am gonna do a wash and go. You all know I really don't like wash and goes and stuff like that, but I want to see how this works because I really don't feel like twisting or braiding up my hair today. They have like so many different colors: pink, green, blue, black, orange, silver. Like they have a whole lot of colors. They even have gold as well. So I got the purple because you all know purple is my favorite color. So this is how it looks. Take my hair out of this section. I think I'm gonna split it into a smaller section first. So I might split it in half, about like this much. I'm gonna get like this much right here, and I'm just going to put it in my hair. Quick fun fact: I've always wanted to dye my actual hair purple, but I never done so because I didn't want to like damage my hair or anything, and I feel like I would have had to bleach my hair or something first before I could do so, before I can dye it purple. It's showing up a little bit, but I want it to be a lot more vibrant. Actually, I'm probably gonna put a lot more because I want it to show up a lot. So yeah guys, this isn't hair dye or anything. Like, it's gonna wash out as soon as you wash or shampoo your hair.
Like it elongates the curls as well.
Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Like, I've always wanted to dye my hair purple, and with this hair paint wax, it already seems as if my hair is already like drying up. Okay, so on to the next section. Okay, so I finished this half of my head, so I think I'm gonna do the other half off of camera, and then I'm gonna come back and show you all like how it looks. But that is how this is looking like. It's so pretty and vibrant. So yeah, I'm gonna do this other side and I will be finished. Okay guys, so I'm done with my entire head. So I noticed that I didn't read off the instructions of how you apply this. So the directions are to apply a small to moderate amount of wax to damp hair, then style as usual. So that's basically what I did. When I watched other people using this, they didn't really use that much, and I'm really heavy-handed with products, so mine is showing up pretty good, and I still have a good amount left, so I can probably get a lot more uses out of this. But this is how it's looking. I'm gonna let it dry for a bit while I do other things, and then I'm gonna come back and take these clamps out of my head and kind of show you all like what it's looking like. Okay guys, so this is the final look of how it all looks in my hair and stuff like that. So this is what it's looking like. I really like it. It's really cute and vibrant, very different, unique, and fun to use. So this is how my hair is looking like. This is how my curl pattern is looking like. So I really like this stuff. So I really recommend the hair paint wax, especially if you're not sure if you want to dye your hair, or if you're someone who don't really want to put any like dye or anything in your hair and you just want like a temporary hair color. This does wash out whenever you shampoo your hair, so you can use it as often as you would like it. It didn't change my curl pattern or anything like that. My hair is completely dry, but there is like a waxy kind of feeling, obviously, but it's not that bad. I am gonna get more colors. I really want the pink and like a bluish color, but I really like the purple. Like I'm like really feeling myself. Like I'm about to take a lot of selfies with this hair paint wax in my hair. I will put like the Instagram and the website of the hair paint wax in the description box down below. This is what it's looking like. So yeah, like I'm really satisfied with it. I am probably gonna do other stuff with this hair paint wax, like other hairstyles, maybe like braid outs and twist outs, and see how that work. But yeah, y'all know I don't really like wash and goes, but it came out pretty good, and yeah, I really like it. So I recommend you try it out just to, you know, give it a try and have fun with it. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I think I paid around $6.99 for this. I cannot remember. I want to say it was $6.99, and then depending on what color you want, the price varies. So the purple is $6.99. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment, subscribe, press that bell button so that you will be notified every time that I post a new video. Make sure to comment down some suggestions of videos you would like me to do, that you would like to see, and I will see you guys in my next video.